Hi there, it's Melissa with Storytime for Kids. Welcome back. Today we're going to be reading more poems from Edward Lear's Book of Nonsense. There was a young lady of Portugal whose ideas were excessively nautical. She climbed up a tree to examine the sea and declared she would never leave Portugal. There was an old person of Leeds whose head was infested with beads. She sat on a stool and ate gooseberry full, which agreed with that person of Leeds. There was an old man of the Isles whose face was pervaded with smiles. He sung "Hi-dum-diddly" while he played on his fiddly, that amiable man of the Isles. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behavior, for while he was able, he slept on a table. That funny old man of Moldavia. There was a young person of Crete whose toilette was far from complete. She dressed in a sack, spickle-speckled with black, that omnivorous person of Crete. There was an old man of Kilkenny who never had more than a penny. He spent all that money on onions and honey, that wayward old man of Kilkenny. There was an old person of Shia whose conduct grew friskier and friskier. He danced hornpipes and jigs and ate thousands of figs, that lively old person of Shia. Thanks so much for reading with me today. Happy story time. See you on the next video.